Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Taxdome account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Taxdome account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in app.taxdome.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your Taxdome's account. Enter your email address and password associated with your Taxdome's account and tap on sign in. Choose till when you would like to keep signed in to your account. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Taxdome's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.